This unboxing video is for the 2019 Samsung Galaxy Tab A in silver. It's the 32 gig version, which is expandable using a memory card. It also is the Wi-Fi version, so there's no slot available for a 4G SIM card. Now, this product I would deem to be an entry to mid-range tablet at £200. I ordered this from the Samsung store. It was a really quick turnaround, so Samsung did a really good job there. 48 hours and it was on my doorstep. Now, on the front of the box itself, of course, you've got the image of the product with the branding, as you'd expect. On the bottom, you've got information about the actual item itself, as well as more branding on the side. On the top, there's absolutely nothing, and on the other side, which is the right-hand side, nothing, but you do have specs about the actual product on the back. So, the thing that I really like about this particular unboxing is the fact that there's no cellophane wrapping. So where we're trying to be more eco-friendly and environmentally friendly, this is a great shout. Having these old school type labels which simply say, if the seal's broken, don't accept it, reject it, because it's been opened and it's not a pristine product. So it also makes it easier to jump into the box. So let's do that right now. So in the box itself, slow release. I really like it when brands do this, because it means there's a bit of a wait for you to actually get to the product. So as soon as you open the box and remove the top, you've got the Samsung logo with this kind of felt material outer. Let's pull that open for a second. And this is wrapping the whole of the tablet, which is really nice. I can already feel there's quite a good weight to this, and it feels like quite a solid tablet. So in the box itself, of course, you've got the travel charging brick, which is quite good to know about. This particular feature is really handy to know about, because a lot of customers may find that that shape there doesn't fit your plug. By popping it up like this, it becomes a regular shaped plug. You've also got the micro USB-C cable there, and you've got the pin if you needed to access the micro SD slot. And of course, you've got quick start guides and the warranty, which we won't get into in this video. Now let's take a look at the tablet itself. As I mentioned earlier on, the packaging is very well thought out. You've got a felt effect Samsung branded outer here. This is nothing more than packaging, but it adds a little bit of premium feel to the mid to entry level price point product, and I think that's a really good touch. On the side here, we've got the exposed power button, so I'm going to hit that right now, and I'm going to fire up the screen so that when we open it, hopefully we'll be able to see the bezels and the screen itself. As I mentioned earlier on, the actual weight of this tablet, when you open it, that's the first thing you notice, is how premium it feels. As you can see, it's a silver metallic aluminium finish, and it's really nicely done. Samsung logo in the middle here. This right here is an 8 megapixel camera, and that is for the expandable memory. Now you'll need the pin to get into that, as you can see there, and you've also got the volume rockers here and the power button, as I showed you a moment ago. On the top, you've actually got the headphone jack and a microphone. Nothing on the other side there. And on the underside, you've got USB Type-C power charger, and you've also got the twin downfiring speakers. Now, as you can see here, I just wanted to quickly show you the bezels on the screen. Yes, so there are some quite large bezels on there, but at the same time, this is quite a smaller feeling tablet. It's also got a 5 megapixel camera at the top here, and it fires up with Android 9. So hopefully you found this unboxing useful. Thank you very much for watching.